Gaining control of your money requires that you have a clear understanding of your income and expenses. You can get a monthly picture of your cash flow by taking the time to list your expenses and income. Making a budget not only helps you feel more in charge and conscious of your finances, but it can also help you achieve particular financial goals like purchasing your first house. There's a budgeting tool out there that can help you, depending on your needs. Consumers often rely on their parents or on their own hit-or-miss method to learn about the best practices for personal finance because money management is not typically taught in schools. A professional financial advisor may cross your mind after you've decided to take your money management seriously. You might want to have a look at some of the numerous free money management tools online before you start spending. In general, these websites are easy to use and provide a safe space for you to keep track of your spending, establish a budget, and utilize calculators to assist with financial analysis and future planning. The top-rated free money management tools are what we're going to discuss today. If you want to have good cash flow in your life and are looking for some of the best tips out there, stay till the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and please click the notification bell for the best financial tips on the internet. Budgeting has a terrible reputation for being a boring, time-consuming activity, but it can also be a useful tool for figuring out your spending patterns. And if you locate the perfect budgeting tool for your requirements, the procedure may be significantly simplified. This tool might be a pre-formatted spreadsheet into which you just enter your transactions, or a mobile app that automatically classifies your expenditure. Determine how purposeful you want to be initially because different budgeting software provides somewhat different methods for managing your money. These choices, which I graded, are a reflection of the fact that there is no one-size-fits-all method to budgeting. The budgeting tool you use should ultimately suit your needs the best. The major way that Mint, a fantastic free application, helps you manage your money is by letting you link your bank accounts to the budgeting program. This lets Mint monitor your spending on those accounts and any linked cards. A useful feature of Mint lets you set your budget as it manages all of your costs. Additionally, the program will automatically divide your costs into categories it thinks they belong in. No issue. You can go in and change the category placement if something appears in the incorrect category. Even more, Mint continuously improves its categorization abilities in response to your corrections. You'll be exposed to advertisements for credit cards and loans when using Mint's budgeting tool, which is one of the fundamental drawbacks of utilizing it as a free financial tool. Having said that, the budgeting tool is completely free, and it doesn't get much better than free. Another effective budgeting tool is You Need a Budget, or YNAB. This program is ideal for you if you're seeking methods to manage your finances more actively while maintaining some automation. You may link your bank accounts with YNAB similarly to Mint, but you are in charge of classifying each transaction that passes through. This tool seems to be far more popular among personal finance influencers and professionals than some of the others. With its educational videos and information that teaches you how to think about cash flow management, YNAB does a great job of keeping you on track with your finances. When I was originally considering my alternatives for budgeting programs, the instructional component of YNAB really caught my attention. YNAB is totally free for students for a year, but it isn't totally free for everyone. YNAB is $12 per month after the first free year. As a result, if you're not a student, you should prepare to pay $12 monthly right now. Another thing to consider when you're looking for the best and most effective budgeting tool is every dollar. Every dollar's main tenet is that every dollar you earn and save ought to have a job. Although you may link your bank accounts in the subscription version, the free version is excellent for those who like to manually enter their purchases and track their spending. It's actually fairly easy to use. After creating and setting up your budget, you're in charge of entering the expenditure amount each time you spend money so you can keep track of everything. I personally find this idea to be quite beneficial since it forces you to continually track your spending every time you make a purchase, which makes you more conscious of how you're using your money. You're held responsible and in control of your money management practices. Here's an unrelated question for you. What is it that lives if it is fed and dies if you give it a drink? Let me know in the comment section if you know the answer. Moving on to the topic, for your emergency fund and other short-term savings objectives, online savings accounts are fantastic. Because most internet savings banks will really offer you a far greater rate of interest than traditional banks, these sort of accounts may be quite helpful. You might think of them as resources that can make it easier for you to save money for immediate needs. No monthly maintenance fees, minimum balance fees, or transfer costs apply at Ally Bank. You will undoubtedly be making significant long-term savings based on those factors alone. The amazing thing about Ally Bank is that you may open sub-savings accounts inside of your primary savings account. It saves you from having to retain and maintain many accounts by allowing you to categorize your financial and savings goals in one account. In addition, Ally Bank is renowned for providing excellent customer service and having a user-friendly layout. When it comes to online banking, Discover Bank is another excellent savings option that has no transfer fees, monthly maintenance costs, or minimum balance requirements. Discover Bank, in contrast to Ally Bank, is unable to create sub-savings categories inside its savings accounts. As opposed to this, you can create and establish as many savings accounts as you need or wish in accordance with your financial objectives. When it comes to that, there's no right or wrong answer. It's all a matter of choice. Hang in there because this one will save you and change everything in your life. Clients want precision from online billing procedures. The sooner final sales can be accomplished, the better your cash flow will be, and the simpler and more flawless your billing procedure will be. While a simple online solution with invoicing functions is a sufficient solution, adding extra features and adaptable pricing options may really make a difference. You can guarantee best practices and a value-added user experience with cloud-based billing solutions like FreshBooks, which may boost client satisfaction and possibly even long-term loyalty. FreshBooks, which is intended for smaller businesses, automates crucial accounting procedures. Entries are easily created, managed, and exported by users. Since it's cloud-based, you may access your data from any location. Some of the advantages of FreshBooks include its simplicity in setup and use, the availability of automatic reminders for late payments, and its adaptable API for third-party service integration. Cons of utilizing it include a lack of robust features for larger businesses and a small number of mobile apps that cannot access reports. Bankrate is a terrific place to start if you're looking for the finest online savings account right now. Looking for accounts with no transfer fees, monthly maintenance costs, or minimum balance requirements on any accounts you're considering is crucial when it comes to these sorts of accounts. It's all about cutting expenses and making savings wherever you can. If you're looking for the best and easiest app for cash transfer, Venmo is the one for you. Anyone searching for an easy method to send money fast to friends, coworkers, and family members should check out Venmo. With Venmo, you first need to link your bank account to the app in order to be able to pay your pals for regular expenses such as lunch, beverages, or anything else you owe them. As long as you maintain your bank account connected, Venmo will continue to be free to use. A service charge is added to the money transfer if you want to link your debit or credit cards instead. According to recent reports, Visa has actually made plans to buy Plaid, the company that runs Venmo, for an estimated $5.6 billion. It'll be pretty interesting to watch how the platform develops over the coming years. So what are you waiting for? Download this app now. You can create a precise, individualized financial plan in just a few minutes with Saveology, a free online financial planning tool. You can create your free account after completing the financial profile survey, which gives you access to a comprehensive financial plan, a financial wellness score on your current financial health, suggested next steps known as action items, and interactive financial literacy tools known as planning modules. In order to assist you in achieving your financial objectives, such as raising your savings rate, creating an emergency fund, getting the right amount of life insurance, and saving for your ideal retirement, Saveology also connects you to industry-leading financial institutions and providers that you would have otherwise spent time and money searching for. By offering thorough digital financial planning, Saveology has assisted tens of thousands of households across the United States in improving their financial situation. The ability to create a personalized financial plan, holistic report card, tailored action items, and more is available to anyone with our free financial planning or premium monthly planning memberships. Build your free plan today. These are just a few of the free financial resources and tools that should prove to be beneficial and useful in assisting you in gaining clarity regarding your own money. The best course of action is to begin using one or more of the aforementioned programs right away to begin improving your relationship with money. You'll learn more about the tools as you go. In the end, the most crucial thing is to begin and move forward with your financial future. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to sneak over and like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell to not miss out on any of my invaluable financial tips and tricks. Comment down below if you have questions or suggestions. Till next time!